All right, guys, so today, a couple things. We're still peeling the G63. How many, what are we in this? 5, 6 days? I don't even know. My fingers are all sore, my arms hurt. It sucks. Probably another 2 or 3 days before we're totally done with that. Today we're gonna show you how to swap the batteries in these Mercedes keys. Okay, are we focused in? Looks like we are. You're gonna need one thing, either a small screwdriver, or in our case, we have this little pick, all right? Where are we at here? There we are. We're zoomed in pretty close. So this one does not have a keychain on it. So right there is the hole. It has a little slide right here. So we're gonna take our thumb, we're gonna slide the little slide over just like so. When we slide that over, we're just gonna pull the key out. If you had a keychain loop on it, you could use that to pull it out. We're gonna go and flip it over to the back side. We're gonna take the key. Now the key came out like this, right? We're gonna take it up here and flip it and put it back in where the handle was and gently push down and kind of work it up. That's gonna pop the back off. Right, there's the battery. The positive always faces up. And we could take this and just pop the battery right out, no problem at all. This one's good, so we're not gonna mess with it. And then of course, assembly is always reverse of removal. So, if you guys have any Mercedes from this year span, this is 2014. I'm not sure exactly all the years that use these keys. I know it was used for many years. If you have that, that's how you change the battery. Nothing to it. We're not going to show you all this. That'll be in a separate video when this is totally done. And yeah, we'll see you soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.